It is probably the biggest reason that people come into Dublin City Centre. They really love the lights, and we've been working with Fantasy now for 5 years. We find them an excellent company. We really do enjoy working with them every Christmas.
We're thrilled with the response that we've got from our customers and the general public, and we look forward to working with Fantasy Lights again in the future.
Every year they deliver on time, they deliver exactly what we want. They work with us in terms of the design. Each of the streets in Dublin has its own character, so they design lights that are going to meet the character of that street, and that is really excellent.
We are an Irish-owned family business. We are now trading over 25 years, and we pride ourselves on our successful projects in the past. We offer our clients the full turnkey package, both from design to installation and storage if required. What makes Fantasy Lights different to our competitors is the fact that we are very original, very creative. We lead with new products, new designs and new technologies, and we are very much to the fore at all times of offering our customers leading edge products.